10 most expensive restaurant meals in Dubai. Dubai is one of the most expensive cities for expats according to the Cost of Living Survey 2019. The city also has a vibrant life and some of the best restaurants in the world. Unsurprisingly, it has attracted some chefs with an international reputation and restaurants with Michelin stars. Before we start with the countdown, please don't forget to subscribe to Travel Extreme and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. Now that being done, here is number 10. Al Muntahaa. You probably have heard of Burj Khalifa, known as the 7-star hotel and one of the most famous landmarks of Dubai. The place also has a high-profile restaurant, the Al Muntahaa. Lions can enjoy a jaw-dropping view of the Jumeirah beach, the Palm Jumeirah and the World Islands, what is enough reason to have a meal at that place. However, the prices are high. According to Luke's Habitat, the average cost of a meal is $272. Number 9. Luca du Bois. This is a restaurant specialized in French cuisine in Dubai, and the place is famous among jet-setters and A-list clients. The restaurant has several dining areas, including a terrace, a bar, or a more private space. The Wagyu beef, one of the most expensive in the world, for approximately $270. The most expensive item on the menu is probably the Beluga caviar for $530. Number 8. Enigma. Enigma is a restaurant at the Palazzo Versace. The place started with the concept of changing the head chef in every 3 months, what put the restaurant under the spotlight. However, since last year, they focus on Persian cuisine and it seems to be working out. The famous chef Mansour Mamarian is responsible for creating the dishes. According to Gulf News, the prices of appetizers and the main course is approximately $100 per person. The Enigma has the whole menu available on their website, so customers won't be surprised by the prices. Number 7. Atmosphere Burj Khalifa. Atmosphere Burj Khalifa is at the iconic hotel, which is the tallest building in the world. People can pay $35 and go straight to the top and admire the skyline of the city. But some people can also enjoy the exclusive restaurant that has a fantastic view. But be prepared, it comes at a high price. Number 6. Sheikh. Sheikh is one of the most delightful experiences you can have in Dubai. The place is at the end of a pier and offers a jaw-dropping view of the Arabian Gulf. Just that would be enough to pay a visit to this restaurant. But they also provide an elaborate menu, which also makes an impression of its prices. It is possible to buy a brunch pack that costs $100 per person without drinks, $165 with selected cocktails, and $200 with champagne. Number 5. Social by Heinz. The Social by Heinz is at the impressive Waldorf Astoria Dubai Palm Jumeirah and is specialized in Italian cuisine. The place belongs to Heinz, the chef behind La Pergola, that has 3 Michelin stars. With the vibrant gastronomic scenario in Dubai is no surprise, the city attracts famous chefs from other countries. Number 4. Chevalier Club, Dubai. Chevalier Club Dubai prides itself on being the best Italian restaurant in Dubai. The Italian designer Roberto Cavalli is one of the partners and they keep it high profile in every way. The menu includes exotic dishes like Wagyu beef that, according to CNN, costs $685 and also crispy frog legs with polenta. The menu is available online but they don't reveal the prices. Number 3. Nobu, Dubai. Dubai is known for having some of the best Japanese restaurants in the world. Zuma, for example, is considered one of the best in the world. Nobu is also one of the most famous in Dubai, known for its quality and also astronomical prices. According to TripAdvisor and some sites, each person spends at least $120 to eat in this exclusive restaurant. Although most of the reviews are positive about the food, most people also consider it overpriced. Number 2. Billionaire's Mansion, Dubai. Billionaire's Mansion, Dubai is one of the most exclusive clubs in Dubai. It was created in the late 90s by the billionaire Flavio Briatore and is located in the just as exclusive Taj Hotel. The restaurant serves Italian and Japanese dishes. There are often live shows during dinner time. On the menu, there are options like Beluga caviar. The clients must spend at least $120 per person at the restaurant. They also seem to be very restricted about the reservation and there are several rules to follow. Unsurprisingly, it is one of the favorite places of A-list people in the country. Number 1. Oceana. According to some sources, Oceana is the most expensive restaurant in Dubai. According to Condé Nast Traveler, the price for an 8-course meal is approximately $205. But the sky is the limit for guests. They have beluga caviar, the most expensive caviar in the world, that costs nearly $1,200 on their menu. The prices are not the only impressive thing about Oceana. The restaurant is in the legendary Atlantis the Palm and it is under the water. That means guests will have their meals surrounded by all sorts of fish, including sharks. So these were the 10 most expensive restaurant meals in Dubai.